Hello everyone, welcome back to physical education class. My name is Shamsher Singh, physical education teacher from Cambridge International School, Dasua. I hope you all are happy, healthy and fit. And I hope you all enjoying your video lessons and completing your task on time. Dear students, in the previous videos, we learnt about surfing and paragliding. I hope you all understood this topic. Now we will start with next term safety measures during physical activity. Let's start the topic. Safety measures during physical activity. Serious injuries are associated with all adventure activities. It is generally advisable to discuss safety measures with an operator before singing on for a trip. The equipments used and the qualifications of the company and guides are essential informations to be considered. In physical activity, 100% prevention is never possible, but it can be prevented or minimized by considering these steps like first is proper warming up. Proper warming up, general and specific, two types, is a must for player before participating in any physical activity. It tones up the body muscles and prepares the player psychological for the coming activity, thus prevents accidents or injuries. Thus mean इस प्रकार. Second point is cooling down. Cooling down is also equally important activity after the completion of training or competition. It should last from 10 to 15 minutes. Next is progression. Regardless of the type of activity, always begin at a low intensity and progress within on individual limitation to higher intensities. Doing too much in a day to achieve success fast could result in acute or chronic sports injuries. Next point is proper officiating. Many sports injuries occur due to foul play. At the time of match, the officials are responsible. Athletes follow the rules of game and sports. Thus, proper officiating plays a significant role in injury reduction. Next point is protective clothing and equipment. It is important to wear proper clothing and use correct equipment while playing. All prescribed guards and pads should be worn before the game to prevent injury to the sensitive body organs. This will further help the athlete to give his best performance in a natural way without any inhibition. Next point is environment conditions. Players should take extra precautions against the environment conditions like extreme hot, cold. High altitude may also cause complications. Next point is individual differences. Load should be given according to the individual who is participating. Girls and boys should be given different load. Exercises which are not recommended for girls should be avoided. Certain exercises produce adverse effects on the physiology of human beings. These should be avoided. Next point is fatigue. Athlete must be aware of honest of fatigue as it dulls the senses, muscles and joint, making them more prone to injuries. He should take proper rest in between. Next point is medical checkup before activity. Players should be properly medically checked up before physical activity related to previous injury or disease or physical fitness level, etc. Next is proper concentration. Players should play with full alertness and proper concentration over the activity. Moreover, players should not have stress or tension. Next point is check equipments. Players should check equipments and their condition. Players should use good quality equipments along with safety guards. Moreover, proper dress along with proper shoes according to surface or as per activity needs. Next point is sufficient physical fitness. For the activities of physical education, players should have sufficient level of physical fitness. Players should develop that through regular conditioning. Next is activity under experts observation. Players should participate physical activity under experts observation like coach, teacher, instructor, trainer, etc. Next point is proper and safe environment. Safe environment prevents accidents, whereas unsafe environment may cause accidents or injuries. Next point is good coaching skills. Good coaching skills helps to improve sports performance. Moreover, it prevents player from accidents or injuries. Next point is follow rules and regulations. Players should follow rules and regulations of activity with true spirit. Next point is controlling aggression and violence. Players should control their aggression. Moreover, violence during games should be prevented and checked. Next point is proper training methods. Players should follow proper and good training methods during practice, whereas overtraining or over exert of muscles should be avoided during training. Next and last point, follow training principles. Players should follow training principles in progressive manner. These principles help in preventing accidents and injuries. So it prevent the sports injuries. All the above mentioned factors should be kept in mind. These points are indispensable for proper athletic care. Dear students, you can write on your views or points also. Dear students, if you have any queries regarding this topic, you can call me, you can message me. At the end, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for joining me.